Hi guys, welcome to Vijay Viz. I hope you guys are safe and healthy. This is a short ride, guys, which I did from my home location where I exactly stay, which is around 25 kilometers from my place to the travel destination. And I had gone to Esrigata Lake. Uh, Even though there's no water right now, everything has been dried up. But I really enjoyed the travel. It is around 25 kilometers both ways, but the travel which I had was really good, and my friend accompanying me was more than uh, happy, which I was. That is what the main thing, right? In the travel, more than the destination outlook or anything, the travel we should enjoy it. And if you have a friend who's supporting you uh, to capture the things what you wanted to do, I think nothing can be better than that. And the traveling itself makes you happy. As an Indian, everyone loves bike or any kind of two wheeler that has been given. For travel, there's nothing that you can do it in this vehicle. The travel videos you can do it in the higher segment vehicles, just capturing the moments, just enjoying the route. The same route, if you have done it in the city going to any other place, it could have been little bit a headache kind of a thing. But this was just an empty roads, here and there little traffic I had, but I really enjoyed the whole uh, journey of 25 kilometers. I really hope this doesn't change the destination, because there are few proposals which has been given to the Esrigata Lake to make a theme park, and I exactly don't know how safe it would be if there is a theme park there. In the lake location, making a theme park is an unsafe thing, right? So whatever we have the lake, if there is some water connection has been given from the dam or any other place, because I see the other information also, this flows across Arkavati river. So that river water, if it has been filled here, and this becomes a tourist destination, the weekend trips can be done easily. And the other thing was the food which I had while coming back. As you can see here, there's one Happy Stop restaurant. Really awesome food, guys. Even though there was spicy, I didn't like that much, but food quality is really good for the price which you pay. You have barbecues, you have chicken fried rice and other stuffs which you can have it while coming back or while going. I hope even if they are planning to do a outing for 25 kilometers, 50 kilometers, or 100 kilometers for that matter, I hope this will not uh, bore you. You would enjoy the location. How is it? But don't have much of an expectation after watching the Google photos. So right now there's no any water there, everything has been dried up. Only few places there are a little bit water. So just enjoy the view while traveling, get relaxed, I think that is the main thing, right, in the travel. I hope you would enjoy the video, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Please be safe. Always wear a mask when you step outside. I'll see you on the other video. Thank you. Have a good day.